Good morning students, welcome to online class. In the last class 7.1, 11, 12 sums completed. Now problem number 13. 7.1 problem number 13. What is problem number 13? Find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 and whose center is 3, 2 and passes through minus 5, 6. So what we need to find out? Radius of the circle. So there is circle diagram. Find out radius of the circle whose center of the circle is 3, 2 and passes through the point minus 5, 6. So how many points are there in the problem? 2 points are there. Number 1, center of the circle is 3, 2. Number 2, there is a point on the circle because circle passes through the point minus 5, 6. We need to find out radius of the circle. Remember, radius is nothing but distance between center and the point. What is the definition of radius? Distance between center of the circle and point on the circle, it is known as radius of the circle. Means we need to find out distance. See the diagram once. So there is a circle. Center of the circle is O. O is the center of the circle 3, 2. O 3, 2. And circle passes through a point. That means there is a point on the circle. Let it be some P. Point is P minus 5, 6. So see the diagram. O is center of the circle 3, 2. P is point on the circle minus 5, 6. We need to find out radius. What is radius? Join center and the point. That distance is known as radius. It is radius of the circle R. Okay na? So O is center of the circle, P is point on the circle. Join O and P, it is radius. We need to find out radius distance. So write what is given first. Here, what is O? O is center of the circle. O is center of the circle. What is P? P is a point on the circle because circle passes through that point. P is a point on the circle. P is a point on the circle. So O is how much? O 3, 2. O is 3, 2. Let it be x1, y1. What is P? Minus 5, 6. Let it be x2, y2. So take O as x1, y1 and P as x2, y2. Then what formula to write? We need to find out OP. O is what? Center of the circle. P is what? Point on the circle. What is OP? Radius of the circle. So we need to find out OP. Again, what formula to write? Distance. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points equal root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You know what is OP? OP is what? Radius. What is OP in the diagram? Radius. So distance between 2 points, root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then substitute root. What is x2? Minus 5. What is x1? 3 whole square. Minus 5 minus 3 whole square plus what is y2? 6. What is y1? 2 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is minus 5 minus 3? minus 8 whole square. What is 6 minus 2? 4 whole square. What is minus 8 whole square? 64. Plus what is 4 square? 16. Add root 80. How to write 80? 16 into 5. Then what to do? Then separate root. Root 16 into root 5. What is root 16? You know, 4 root 5. So that is the answer. So see the problem again. We need to find out radius of the circle. What is given? Center of the circle is given. A point on the circle is given. So here O is the center of the circle. P is a point on the circle because circle passes through the point P. Then O 3, 2, let it be x1, y1. P minus 5, 6, let it be x2, y2. OP equal to question mark. OP is what? Radius, means distance. Distance between 2 points formula. Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2? Minus 5. What is x1? 3 whole square. Plus what is y2? 6 minus what is y1? 2 whole square. What is minus 5 minus 3? Minus 8 whole square. What is 6 minus 2? 4 whole square. What is minus 8 whole square? 64. What is 4 whole square? 16. 64, 16 how much? 80. How to write 80? 16 into 5. What to do? Then separate root. Root 16 into root 5. What is root 16? 4 root 5. So that is problem number 13. Now see problem number 14. 7.1. Problem number 14. Problem number 14 is, can you draw a triangle? Can you draw a triangle with vertices 1, 5, 5, 8 and 13, 14. Give reasons. So what is the problem? See again. So they are questioning you, can you draw a triangle with vertices 1, 5, 5, 8 and 13, 14? Give reasons. How many points are given? How many vertices are given? 3 vertices are given. And what to do? We need to verify it is a triangle or not. Means you know, collinear points, non-collinear points. For collinear points, there is no triangle, you know. For non-collinear points, there is a formation of triangle. So 3 points are given. We need to identify it is a triangle or not. For triangle means they are non-collinear points. So if the points are non-collinear, it is a triangle. Very simple. Otherwise, it is not a triangle. So first point. Take the first point as A, 1, 5. Take the second point as B, 13, 14. Take the 5, 8. Take the third point as C, 13, 14. First point A, 1, 5. Second point B, 5, 8. Third point C, 13, 14. We have to verify it is a triangle or not. Then what formula to write again? Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then what to find out? First, you know what to do for triangle. Length of AB, length of BC, length of AC. So find out length of AB first. For any triangle, we need to find out AB, BC, AC. So first length of AB. A is what? 1, 5. Let it be x1, y1. B is what? 5, 8. Let it be x2, y2. Substitute root 5 minus 1 whole square plus 8 minus 5 whole square. First one 5 minus 1 whole square. Second one 8 minus 5 whole square. What is the first one? 4 whole square. What is the second one? 3 whole square. Okay now. Then what we get? 16 plus 9. Then root 25 equal to 5. That is AB. Next, find out length of BC. B is what? 5, 8. Let it be x1, y1. C is what? 13, 14. Let it be x2, y2. Then again substitute. So, root x2 minus x1 whole square. 13 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 14 minus 8 whole square. What is 13 minus 5 whole square? 8 whole square. What is 14 minus 8 whole square? 6 whole square. What is 8 square? 64. What is 6 square? 36. Root 100. How to write 100? 10 square. Then square root cancel equal to 10. That is BC. Then AC. A is what? 1, 5. x1, y1. C is what? 13, 14. x2, y2. Then again substitute root 13 minus 1 whole square plus second one 14 minus 5 whole square. What is 13 minus 1? 12 whole square. What is 14 minus 5? 9 whole square. What is 12 square? 144. What is 9 square? 81. Add root 225. How to write 225? 15 whole square. Square root cancel 15. So third answer is 15. First answer AB how much? 5. Second answer BC how much? 10. Third answer AC how much? 15. So first point A 1, 5. Second point B 5, 8. Third point C 13, 14. Distance formula. Distance between 2 points. First find out length of AB. So x2 minus x1 whole square. 5 minus 1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. 8 minus 5 whole square. What is 5 minus 1 whole square? 4 whole square. What is 8 minus 5 whole square? 3 whole square. What is 4 square? 16. What is 3 square? 9. Add root 25. 25 root how much? 5. Then find out BC. B is what? 5, 8. C is what? 13, 14. First one x1, y1. Second one x2, y2. 13 minus 5 whole square. 14 minus 8 whole square. 13 minus 5 how much? 8. 14 minus 8 how much? 6. What is 8 square? 64. What is 6 square? 36. Add 100. How to write 100? 10 square 10. Third one A 1, 5 x1, y1. C 13, 14 x2, y2. Again 13 minus 1 whole square plus 14 minus 5 whole square. What is 13 minus 1 whole square? 12 whole square. What is 14 minus 5 whole square? 9 whole square. What is 12 square? 144. What is 9 square? 81. Add 225. How to write 225? 15 whole square. Square root cancel. So AB how much? So here AB how much? 5. BC how much? 10. AC how much? 15. Add AB and BC. AB plus BC. AB plus BC. AB how much? 5. BC how much? 10. Add 15. Nothing but AC. So by adding AB and BC, we get AC. Add AB and BC. AB how much? 5. BC how much? 10. Add 15. Nothing but AC. So what we get? AB plus BC equal to AC. By adding AB and BC, we are getting AC, means they are collinear points. So therefore here AB plus BC equal to AC. A comma B comma C are A comma B comma C are A comma B comma C are collinear points. A comma B comma C are collinear points. Collinear points. So I told you already, for collinear points there is no formation of triangle. Therefore it is not a triangle. For collinear points there is no triangle. Therefore it is not a triangle. Okay na? HW is 7.1, 13, 14 sums. Okay na? In the next class we continue the remaining sums. Thank you students.